Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on multiplication part 2. This lesson is a continuation of the previous video. It continues to highlight the link between multiplication and repeated addition. Example 1. Consider the above 4 coins. Each coin represents 10 cents. We do not worry about the currency, so it doesn't matter what country it is. We're just looking at 4 coins, each of them representing the number 10. Whatever currency it is, that's irrelevant. We can find out the total amount of money in different ways. Now let's look at the first way. We can use addition. 10 cents plus 10 cents plus 10 cents plus 10 cents equals 40 cents. So that is repeated addition. The second way, 4 times 10 cents, because we have 4 coins. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times 10 cents is 40 cents. Example 2. Consider the following picture showing a number of oranges. The total number of oranges can be calculated in the following ways. Firstly, we can say 4 plus 4 equals 8. That is, see that row of 4 there, plus another row of 4 there, that gives us 8. Using multiplication, the second way is 2 times 4. That is, 2 rows of 4 gives us 8. We can also do it another 2 ways. Have a look at this. We can say 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. In other words, we're looking at 4 columns, each column having 2 oranges. So that's the third way. That gives us 8 oranges. The fourth way is 4 columns with 2 oranges in each. 4 twos are 8. So that's multiplication. Look at these strawberries here. We have 3 rows and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. The total number of strawberries can be calculated in the following ways. The first way, 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12. That is, this row plus this row plus this row. The second way, 3 times 4 equals 12. That is, 3 rows, each containing 4. 3 4s are 12. The third way, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. That is 4 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. See those 4 columns? There they are. That gives us 12. And the fourth way, 4 times 3. That is 4 columns, each containing 3. 4 3s are 12. It is easy to see from the 3 examples we have done that there is a very important link between multiplication and addition. In summary, multiplication is the same as repeated addition. Miscellaneous examples. The total number of bananas above can be represented by 2 different multiplications. We're just looking at multiplications here now. So the first multiplication is 5 times 4. That is 1 row of 4, 2 rows of 4, 3 rows of 4, 4 rows of 4, 5 rows of 4 gives you 20. The second multiplication is 4 times 5. That is 1 column of 5, 2 columns of 5, 3 columns of 5, 4 columns of 5, 4 5s are 20. And the next example involving these pairs, write 2 multiplications to find the total number of pairs. Now I want you to write the first answer here and the second answer here. So I'll give you 10 seconds. Just write your answers on a sheet of paper. 2 different multiplications to give us the total number of pairs. I'll bet you got this easily. Let's look at the rows first. Let's look at this top row and see how many pairs in the top row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's look at the bottom row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the first way will be 2 rows, each row containing 8 pairs, gives us a total of 16 pairs. Okay, so there's one multiplication. Now what's the second way? Well, we can look at the columns. See this column here? That has 2 pairs. That column has 2 pairs. And if we continue and we count all the columns, we find that there are 8 columns. Each column has 2 pairs. And what does that give us? Again, 16 pairs. So there are 2 ways of doing that, either looking at columns or looking at rows. So this video again has highlighted the important link showing that multiplication is a form of addition. And it's also shown how if we have groups of something arranged in rows and columns, we can represent the total by 2 different multiplications.